Hello, my friends. Let's do some math. It's lesson 30, session 3. So we're jumping right into the middle of lesson 30, which is ordering objects by length. So you're going to take the objects and order them in their length. This goes from shortest to tallest. And we're just, like I said, jumping right in because we only have 2 more full weeks of school left to do math. And we have a lot more math in our book than we have time to do. So we're on page 705 in our math books, and it says Ron has 3 books. He puts them on a shelf from shortest to tallest. And I drew 3 books here, but you have some books. You're just going to draw them 3 books. He puts them from shortest to tallest. So remember, when we read or we write things, we write from left to right. So it says try it. So go ahead and put those books in order of shortest to tallest. There's 3 books. I drew these books here, but how that would look is the shortest and then the tallest. So this is the shortest, middle, and the tallest. Next page, 706, it restates the problem, which means it states it again. Order, then below it says model it. Order the books from shortest to tallest, line up the bottom edges. Nice. So when you are measuring, you need to make sure that they all start at the same point. You can't do that. That doesn't make sense. It's hard to tell who's longer, who's shorter. So whenever you're measuring, you have to go right to the very ends, just like you're putting them on that bookshelf. Pretend they're all on that bookshelf with that line there. Okay. Line up the bottom edges, circle the shortest, put an X on the tallest. And then it says the blank book is shortest. This is the shortest. So you're going to put in a word of color there and the tallest. And then it said put an X on the tallest book, which would be this one. And then you're going to circle the shortest book, which is, oops, not that one. This one. This was just my example. So I'm going to erase that, put an X on that one. Okay, the shortest one in your books is blue, and the tallest one is red. So red is the tallest, blue is the shortest. Turn the page. Ooh, there's pretty plants and flowers. Miss Lim loves that. Number 2, Buzz says the red flower is the shortest. Do you agree? Why or why not? So you have like this pretty red rose. And then you have a beautiful Gerber daisy. There's the daisy. And then you have, I don't know what this is, but it is cool. It's all spiky. So this is how the book draws it. And then it does this. But it says the flower, the red flower, this one's red, is the shortest. Do you agree? Why or why not? So I would say no, comma, I don't agree because the stem isn't, there's another contraction instead of is not, it's isn't. The stem isn't in line with the others. And I'm going to take a minute and let you copy that down. If you don't have enough time though, pause it and write that down. It's really important. So remember how I talked about how they're all sitting on a shelf? This red rose is not sitting on a shelf. It's down below the bookshelf. So if I took that and I put it on top of here, is it still the shortest? No. Yeah, it looks like the shortest because it starts way down here. But when you measure, you have to start at the same starting point. This one starts down here. Can't do it. So it has to start up here. No, I don't agree because the stem isn't in line with the others. Big elephants can always understand small elephants if you need to know how to write because. So take a minute and write that down. It looks like it, but it's really, truly not. I'm going to go ahead and erase. So pause it here or rewind it if you need to catch all of those great words. The next one has plants and it says circle the shortest plant, put an X on the tallest plant. So you're going to circle the first one, it's the shortest, and then you're going to put an X on the very last one. And there's a plant here, and there's a plant here, and there's a plant here. This one way up here, with all those pretty pink flowers, that's the tallest. And this one over here in the pot is the shortest. Number 4, complete the sentence. The blank pencil is taller than the green pencil. Blank pencil is taller than the green pencil. So we'd figure out which one's taller than the green. It might be both of them. So let's see. The blank pencil is taller than the green pencil. So it looks like the black pencil. So you're gonna write black. I did lowercase because there's really the here. If this was just starting it out, then yes, I would use a capital. Black, CK. The blank pencil is shorter, I think, than the green. So shorter than the green. It can't be the black because the green is taller. So it is the yellow pencil. That one is shorter than the green. So it goes black, green, yellow. If you notice, they're all on that line in your book. They even drew the line on all of these. Next are some really cute little animals. And it says circle the group of animals that shows them in order from tallest to shortest. So it goes like this. Which one is correct? This one or this one? Tallest to shortest. Hopefully you chose this one. Tallest to shortest. Then problem number 6, circle the shortest pin, put an X on the tallest pin. So you have circle the shortest and an X on the tallest. Circle the shortest, X on the tallest. I just drew lines, kind of like pins, but they're just lines. Now we're onto the green pages, which are practice it. So you're going to practice putting them in order from shortest to tallest or tallest to shortest. It says, look at the problems, then solve the example. So we're going to jump down past the example. It says, circle the shortest plant, put an X on the tallest. Circle the shortest, X on the tallest. That's going to be problem number 1. Problem number 2, circle the shortest flower, put an X on the tallest flower. So this is problem number 1. This is problem number 2. And it has the tallest, then it has the shortest, and it has the medium. And they're like this, all on that line. So it says put an X over the tallest, circle the shortest, and that's how problem number 2 looks. Again, I'm just drawing lines because drawing the flowers and the cactus would be like too much. So hopefully you can get the understanding of what's going on just based on me drawing lines. Number 3, circle the shortest rectangle, put an X on the tallest. And they want you to circle the shortest, X on the tallest. Number 4, circle the group of pencils that shows going from tallest to shortest. So you have, and then the second group looks like this. So you're going tallest to shortest. That would be this. This is the tallest, next tallest, shortest. Number 5, oh, I love these. Buzz, it's our good friends Buzz and Boom, Buzz says that the black ribbon is the shortest. Boom says the blue ribbon is the shortest. Who is right? Circle. Boom or Buzz? So it has lines like this, and then it has, what is this? We'll say this is blue. And then there's a really tall one, which is yellow. And then there's a black one. This is black. And it says, Buzz says the black ribbon is the shortest. Boom says the blue ribbon is the shortest. Who is right? Circle Buzz or Boom? Well, remember, if you don't look below this line, yeah, black would be the shortest, but they all have to start at the same point. So then I take this and I put it up here. And now look, this is the black. So Buzz says the black ribbon is the shortest. And he's wrong. Boom says the blue ribbon is the shortest. So Boom is correct. Boom is correct. It doesn't ask you for why or how or anything like that. It just asks you who's correct. So yes, if you took this black and you moved it up here, the black is longer than the blue. So Boom is correct. All right, my darlings, I will see you another time for some more math. Bye, guys.